Alright, so today I'm here removing the alarm system. As you can see here, it is dangling. It was causing a lot of weird things going on, and I'm just going to rip this out. There's just one screw holding it in. Alright, there. Oh, bro. Yay, get over here. Alright, this is called a knee ward. This is where your knees go when you crash. See that? Some quality needs. Alright, now we can get all this extra junk out of here. Oh my, I gotta do something about that. It looked like it just kept going off. We gotta ground where they cut all these, soldered them back together. This thing's gotta go. This is MIDI. I don't think that's MIDI. So I gotta get this thing out. What is this? Oh, this must be the OG alarm, and they put the rigged system in. Well, that's the ECU. Alright, let's just plug this in. Let's just see what happens. It's the wrong plug, I guess. Oh well. This is kind of a mess. It's not so bad though. Oh, and then we got something going to the back. Where it goes back there, I wonder. Sketchy business. Oh, hello. The handles are gone. Yep, that's how you remove that. Where's this thing going, bro? Alright, so it's gonna go back. Alright, what's in here? Aha, it's still going back. We got some action back here. Let's see, is it in there? Do I see wire? No. Where? I don't see the wire. And the wire mysteriously disappears. Oh, there it is. I found it. So it goes this way. Does it go to this thing? Something dead just landed on me. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Oh, bro, why are you doing this? Alright, so there's something up here. Oh, you know what the nice thing about this is? Me neither. No, I just wanted to put it in this back. I can just leave it all out. We'll gut it, and it'll be good. And these pieces are all pretty prime. They're up for sale. Hit me up on Facebook. There's a club on Facebook for selling stuff. Hit me up there if you want to buy it from me. There we go. No. Oh, and it goes to the trunk light. So I think that wire is like a trigger. And then I can just pull this out. What the? There's so much. No. Found out where that wire goes. Right here to that button. How can I be so silly? So I'm just gonna unplug it like that, and then I'm just gonna stuff it back here and just put this back. Oh wait, I'm gutting the car. Alright, it's going. What's this green wire go to? Let's go to the door lock. Oh well. Bye-bye. Alright, what else we got? That also goes to the door lock. Sorry, bud. You gotta go. This power. It's got a fuse on it. That's how I know it's power. So I'm just gonna be careful. We got a ground. I'm just gonna snip it. I don't know. Weight reduction. Well, these guys have to go. It's done! The brake lights are working.